New ads on the App Store homepage are part of Apple's growing effort to monetize your attention and kneecap its Silicon Valley competitors. Silicon Valley. Or as Kanye likes to call it, Silicon Valley. I heard him say that recently. Starting tomorrow, Apple will start showing more ads in the App Store, according to an email reviewed by Mac Rumors. The change is small, but it's the latest chapter in a growing trend. After years of branding itself as a privacy company, Apple is gunning for the digital ad business. Yeah, well, listen. Shut the rest of them down. Use the privacy aspect as a selling point, and then offer your own product with privacy in mind. And say, hey, come to us. We take the ads. Hey, Google, you want to make a Pixel phone and you think you can make a smartphone? Guess what we can make? We can make an ad. We can make an ad platform. Right? So, and the App Store seems to be the targeted location at the moment. Who knows if it can, I don't know where else it can reach within the device. I guess the natural place is there. Can the ads reach into your other apps like Apple Music? Apple News? I suppose they can reach into these other places, ad-supported content and such.
Well, Amazon does it.
Amazon.
Amazon.
Kindle
devices.
Amazon. You talking about Jeff?
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's so many ads there.
Yeah, Jeff doesn't mind an ad here or there. You kidding? Yeah. What's he trying to do? Blue Origin and all this. You got to get the yacht out of the Netherlands first.
Yeah.
So, let's see. AT&T. No, that's go back up a little bit. Last year, the iPhone started asking whether or not you wanted your apps to track you. We all recall. This is what Mark is upset about. That setting is called App Tracking Transparency, and while it may seem relatively insignificant, it caused an absolute earthquake in the ads business. Meta, aka Facebook, says the change alone cost them an estimated $10 billion in lost revenue. I know Alphabet, they were putting out their profit numbers and they didn't look that hot. I don't know how much of that had to do with Google ad business, but yeah, you're not getting that custom tracking stuff going on. Well, showing you the ads that'll convert you. Whatever weird little interests you have.
Yeah. Very niche.
You got the niche interest.
Yeah.
What were you doing? You were, what were you doing? You were on vacation or what?
I was in New York.
What?
For vacation.
What?
Just walking around.
Really?
Yeah.
That's what you were doing?
For a couple days.
You should have told us before you left. We had no idea.
I just wrote like a note.
We were worried, man.
On the fridge. There.
So what were you eating?
Plenty of stuff, actually.
What's the standout? What's the standout one, though?
I think the pizza is really good there.
Well, you went for the pizza as well.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Shout out to
doing shout outs.
Norma Restaurant.
Norma?
Yeah.
Okay.
Norma. They have a really good eggplant pizza.
You get the eggplant right on the pizza?
Yeah.
It doesn't get too soggy?
The whole thing was soggy, but it was delicious.
Oh, you didn't care?
Yeah. Very good.
You just dove right in there.
Village Square Pizza.
Oh, you were just on a pizza tour.
Yeah.
You're like Dave
over.
Portnoy from
Yeah.
Barstool. You were on a pizza tour.
No, it was delicious. All the food there was great. So shout out to New York.
Oh, shout out to the whole thing. All right.
Yeah. It's a good time.
That's Will for you.